Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to set up an alarm on clock application using Android phone. Setting up an alarm on clock app on Android is typically straightforward. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the clock application from your app drawer. Once inside the clock application, look for the alarm tab located at the bottom left and tap on it. To create a new alarm, tap on the plus button at the bottom and you will be prompted to set the time for your alarm. Use the hour and minute selectors to choose the desired alarm type. Once you are done, you will be able to set up an alarm. Now, toggle on the schedule button right next to not scheduled and then select the days for the alarm to repeat. Once you do that, you can move on to the next step. But if you want the alarm to go off on a specific day only, make sure to toggle off the alarm's scheduled button. And now you can go ahead and choose other options like alarm sound or ringtone to make your selection. Choose the ringtone you'd like to play for your alarm, select if you'd want vibrations or not, and once you are done setting up your alarm correct, you will be able to activate the alarm. So that is how you will be able to set up an alarm on clock application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.